Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the orange and green line here are coming from. But after today's price movement, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that green line there. Yeah, it still pertains, but from the presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep this as clean and easy to see as possible. And really, there's two key focal points that really stand out here. And both these levels have really taken no skill on my part to observe, meaning that I don't want to come across like, hey, this is some sort of special skill that I have. No, I assure you, people that understand charts, use charts, have taken notice of both these areas and are going to be watching them. And I bring all that up because when lots of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, you can call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, you can call it whatever you want, but it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have with both these levels going forward. So the first level is just this trend line right here. Like I said, if you are experienced with charts, then that didn't take that much skill to see, oh, look, there's a downtrend right there. Let me put that trend line into place. So there's going to be a whole lot of people watching that trend line, and that is definitely going to be the key level of resistance going forward. Just a question of, can the price get a break up above that trend line? And then the other point to watch from the support side of things, it's just simply that purple line right there, the very, very well-known, the very famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see it act as support, and has a good little example of that going forward. So there's going to be a ton of people still watching that level, which is currently valued at $4.19. And those are really going to be the two primary technical levels going forward that, like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching. The trend line resistance up here, and then the moving average support being the 50-period moving average down there. And now it's just a question of which way is it going to break. So grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.